Jamaica, I'm so excited about this interview. Good morning to my friend Meg's watching. My people, my people, my people. You know, we say grow where you eat and eat what you grow. And how exciting is it when you meet a woman that, gets into the soil and is growing what she eats. Joining me right now is a young lady working towards her degree, her teaching degree. And this young woman doesn't want to stop just there. She's determined to make it, and she is doing so with her business as a poultry farmer. Yeah, an egg farmer.
Sure.
Shania Williams is here to tell us her story. We got the St. Anne Massive. That's where you're from, right, Shania?
St. Anne, I am from Yorkcastle in the cool hills close to Claremont, 15 minutes out of Claremont. I am from Yorkcastle.
Excellent. It's good to see you. So you grew up on a farm. Tell me about growing up.
Actually, yes, I did. My father is a farmer, still is a farmer. He farms almost everything that we eat. Yam, cocoa, carrots. Right now I can go in my backyard and we could get some scallion. We could actually cook a pot right there.
Really?
We could.
So you didn't have to go to market, no nothing?
Yes, for a few things like onions, stuff like that, but everything else is just right at home.
Excellent. So you learned that growing up.
Yes, I did.
And then when did you decide while studying that you wanted to go into poultry farming?
After graduating from college, I completed my diploma. I graduated from college, but it was really rough getting teaching jobs then in about 2013. So I decided that I'm going to try something else. Then my business partner, Kerry Smith, was like, we sell eggs. Why not try eggs?
Yes.
And I also tried sweet pepper. But after trying sweet pepper, I was like, no. This is too rough. I could not do most of the work. So I was like, let me try something that I can do the work.
Yes.
So I decided to try eggs. And then when I tried eggs, I liked it. So I just got into doing eggs because I was like teaching. I have part-time jobs getting, but it wasn't at all full-time, so I need to find something to do. Plus, I like being a boss. So.
I hear you, lady.
Yes, I like being a...
Is that your farm we're looking at?
That is my
Your farm.
That's my farm.
Oh, my gosh. How many chickens do you have?
Right now, I have 600. But
600?
Yes, I'm aiming to get 12,000.
So, this is really cool. Yeah. So, let me ask you something now. How long does it take? How many eggs are you producing per day?
Per day, I get a box, and a box holds about 360.
And how much an egg? No joke. So 360. So you're selling to who?
Maybe you even eat my eggs, because I sell to Kingston also.
You sell to Kingston?
St. Anne, Kingston, for people in my community.
Yes.
So it's all...
How much for a tray? Like Simone loves eggs, and she wants boiled eggs.
Oh.
So I'm going to boil some for her. How much for this tray?
That's $7.50.
$7.50?
Right.
Simone, all right, can I buy this from you?
Sure.
All right, because I like to buy from, my people.
Yeah.
Especially the female bosses. How hard is it? Like, what time do you get up? Take us through a day. Shania Williams, 8 o'clock till 8 o'clock at night.
No, 6 o'clock.
6? You see what I'm saying?
So I'm up at 6. I go to the farm before school. Now it's summer, so I'm there a bit later. So at 6, I wake up, I go to the farm. I spend like an hour at the farm. Luckily, I teach close to home, right in my community. So by the time I go to the farm, get everything done, spend an hour, it's time for me to get ready for school. Spend the day at school. I do enjoy teaching. I love teaching. I hope I don't have to. I do hope I don't have to choose.
Yes.
So like at 3.
Which age group do you teach?
I am right now at grade 1 and 2.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah, the babies.
Oh, my son can come in my grade 2 this year. He can come in school.
Sure, I would
because
love
you
that.
can teach more than the Babylon lesson. You can teach
I can
grow
teach
what you eat. You understand?
What you eat. And I definitely love that too. I do teach my class that. So after leaving school, then I go to Brownstown, which is maybe a hour drive away, where I complete my degree with Church Teachers College. And by approximately 10, I'm back home, and then I'm on a round trip again.
10 at night?
10 at night.
And then you're up at 6. So when you go in the first hour, like, what you put on and go? What you do? What you dress? What you put on?
So I'm wearing,
boots?
I think in one of my pictures, you should see I'm wearing an overall, water boots.
Yeah.
So I'm very protective because I get scratches all the time by them. They'll fly up and scratch you.
The chicken them scratch you?
They do.
Oh, what a bunch
they do. I guess they have fun with me.
So I will show you my ignorance up until 2 years ago, Shania. Don't laugh at me. So I have a children's home that I chair called Maxwell Park. 100 children, big dream to have a chicken coop. I want you to come see it.
Yes.
So then we get the chickens now, and we build up the coop. And I go there and I said to Mr. Boy, the manager, so how they make the egg and it's bear female?
Ah.
Like an idiot, did not know. So let's just say I was very ignorant. So they're all females.
We all
obviously.
learn.
We all learn. So,
Because over time, that's what I do too. I still spend a lot of time with farmers who have been in the business for a long time. So
Yeah.
I'm still learning.
well, there you go, people. If you're going to make egg a bear female, you need, they call it layers,
Layers.
Where did you start? Where did you get your first set of layers?
I got them from Hypro.
Okay.
It was hard because after building the coop, I was told, like, I thought that you just walk into a farm store, get ends. Then when I went to build the coop, I went to the farm store, I was like, I want layers. They were like, no, that's not how it works. You gotta order like a year before. But I
Really?
was actually lucky. I got through maybe about 6 months after.
Oh my gosh, so it's so hard.
Yes, it takes a long time to order. So right now I'm on the order list waiting for next year. To
I
get.
have to ask you, is it possible to breed your own?
You can buy them young, but it's not that effective because then it will be a whole lot of work. I'll have to de-beak them, vaccinate.
what?
De-beak. So you remove the beak because when you get them at 18 weeks, 16 weeks from some companies, the beak is already removed and they're already vaccinated.
Yeah.
But if I take them like at a baby stage, I'll have to do all of that. I'll have to take in vets and everything to do the vaccination, which
Interesting. A whole heap of
a
work.
whole heap of work.
So you're doing well. What do you need as we continue to focus on developing our entrepreneurs, our farmers? What do you need?
I need more marketing. More marketing. We need to be advertised as egg farmers more. Also, when it comes to prices, the Egg Farmers Association is not supportive as it comes to farming and increasing prices because you'll notice that the feeding will raise every week, yet the prices of the eggs, they remain the same. I now work with rainwater because where I live, I don't have running water. So I wish for that system to be developed because I have to buy black tanks and make sure. So if it doesn't rain, I'm kind of...
You're in trouble.
Yeah, I'm in trouble. But luckily it always rains, so...
Yeah, a new face to farming. Absolutely beautiful.
Thank you.
And I'm going to get my $750. You take online transfers and those kind of things. But no, that's for sure. Even if she does it, I know she's progressive. And she's like, sure, anyhow you want to pay. So Simone, I'm going to boil your eggs while we take a break. I know you had an incident where 112 chicks died. You survived that?
I survived.
And you learned your lesson?
I survived. I did. I definitely did. That will never happen to me again, I'm sure.
I'm so happy to meet you.
Thank you.
This is very inspirational. Shania Williams, poultry farmer. If people want to order eggs from you, just last thing before I say goodbye and take a break, give them your number, please.
562-9521.
562-9521.
21.
Thank you so much.